Most people are busy, yet still broke. You spend all day working, but nothing changes. The paycheck covers bills, and maybe some food. But savings? Investments? A financial future? Nothing left. Here's the truth that no one wants to admit. You can work harder and still stay broke. Because your 9 to 5 will never be enough. But imagine this for a second. You're making money while still doing your normal routine. Extra income dripping in without quitting your main job. That's the power of the right side hustle. And today, I'll show you the best ones. Specifically, the best side hustles for busy people. No wasting time. No endless hours. Just results. Stick with me, because one idea here could change your financial life forever. Why side hustles matter. The cost of living is skyrocketing everywhere. Wages? Barely moving. Expenses? Constantly climbing higher. That gap is why people feel stuck in debt. That gap is why retirement looks impossible. And that gap is why side hustles matter. It's not about getting rich overnight. No, it's about creating small income streams that build. Streams that grow into rivers of financial freedom. Streams that protect you from job loss. Streams that give you choices you never had. But here's the problem most people face. They're already too busy to start something new. You're juggling work, family, responsibilities, and life. So you think, I don't have time, but the truth? You don't need much time. You just need the right strategy and hustle. That's what we're diving into today. Side hustle number 1: freelance skills online. If you can write, you can make money. If you can design, you can make money. If you can edit videos, guess what? You can make money too, and fast. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer exist for this. You offer your skills in exchange for pay. And no, you don't need to be an expert. Clients often want simple jobs done quickly. Blog posts. Resumes. Social media graphics. Short video edits. Simple websites. Tasks that busy companies don't have time for. And here's the beauty of freelancing. You choose when and where you work. You can take 1 project a week. Or 5 projects if you have extra time. The flexibility makes this perfect for busy people. Work late at night. Work early mornings. Even during lunch breaks, you can earn. Side hustle number 2: print on demand. Imagine selling t-shirts without touching any inventory. You don't print. You don't ship. Nothing. That's print on demand, and it's a goldmine today. Websites like Teespring, Redbubble, and Merch by Amazon let you upload simple designs and earn royalties. The company handles production and shipping. You just create and post designs. And no, you don't need to be Picasso. Funny text, motivational quotes, or trending memes sell. For example, a simple coffee mug with "Monday Survivor" could earn sales if marketed properly. And the best part? It's passive. Once your design is uploaded, sales can roll in. You don't trade time for money here. You create once and get paid repeatedly. That's the definition of smart side hustling. Side hustle number 3: online tutoring. Education is moving online faster than ever. And millions of students need tutors right now. You don't need to be a PhD. If you're good at math, you can tutor. If you speak English, you can teach. Websites like VIP Kid, Cambly, or Wiseant connect you. You simply log in, teach for an hour, and earn $15 to $30 each session. That's more than many people earn per hour. And here's the kicker, it's flexible. You pick the hours that fit your schedule. Night classes, weekend sessions, early morning lessons. Whatever works for you. You're helping others learn and earning at the same time. Side hustle number 4, food and amp. Grocery delivery. This one exploded during the pandemic. Apps like Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart let you make money delivering food or groceries. You don't need a fancy skill set for this. You just need a car, bike, or scooter. And here's the beauty. You choose when to work. An hour after work? Do a few deliveries. Saturday afternoon? Squeeze in some runs. Busy lifestyle? No problem. This is pure flexibility, wrapped in cash. And depending on your city, earnings can stack fast. Especially with tips during busy hours. Side hustle number 5, renting out space or items. Do you own things you barely use? A spare room, an extra car, or tools? Guess what? You can turn them into money. Airbnb lets you rent a spare room. Turo lets you rent out your car. Fat Llama lets you rent out random items. People will pay to borrow things you own. It's one of the easiest hustles ever. Because your assets earn money while you sleep. That's powerful passive income for busy people. Side hustle number 6, content creation. Now, this one is huge. TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and even podcasts. These platforms are producing millionaires every year. But you don't need millions of followers. Even a small audience can generate income. Ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, digital products. There are dozens of income streams in content. And here's the surprising part. Busy people can still do this. Why? Because short-form content is king now. You can record a 30-second TikTok daily. Or a quick YouTube short before work. Consistency beats perfection in content creation. Post, learn, improve, repeat. And the income potential is limitless. Side hustle number 7, remote customer service. Companies are desperate for remote workers today. Especially in customer support roles. Chat reps, email support, or even phone calls. And no, you don't need a degree. Most companies train you from scratch. You just need communication skills and patience. And the best part? It's usually flexible. You can take part-time evening shifts. Or a weekend-only schedule. This side hustle pays reliably and consistently. Side hustle number 8, digital products. This is passive income at its finest. Create something once and sell it forever. Ebooks, templates, meal plans, or budget spreadsheets. People pay for convenience and guidance. Platforms like Gumroad or Etsy let you sell. You don't need huge followers either. A small niche audience can still pay. For example, printable wedding planner template, or simple budget spreadsheet for families. One-time effort, lifetime earning potential. Side hustle number 9, affiliate marketing. This one is old, but still gold. You promote other people's products online. And earn a commission for every sale. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, ShareASale, tons of options exist. All you need is content to promote. That could be a blog, a TikTok, or YouTube. Imagine recommending a book you love. Someone buys it through your link. Cha-ching, you just earned money. The best part? You don't handle products. You just share links and collect commissions. For busy people, that's an incredible hustle. Side hustle number 10, investing as a hustle. This one's often overlooked. But investing itself can be a side hustle. Think about dividend stocks. You buy once and collect dividends forever. Think about REITs, real estate trusts you can buy. They pay you passive income quarterly. Or even micro-investing apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Start small, but stay consistent. The earlier you begin, the bigger it grows. And while it's not quick cash, it's the smartest side hustle long term. Why these work for busy people? Notice something about all these hustles. They don't require you to quit your job. They don't require 40 hours a week. They don't require massive startup costs either. They work around your busy schedule. That's why they're perfect for everyday people. And that's why they're powerful in the long run. The psychology of side hustles. Here's something most people miss. It's not just about the money. It's about momentum and confidence. The first $100 you earn outside your job feels like unlocking a superpower. Suddenly, you realize you're not trapped. Suddenly, you see options everywhere. And suddenly, money stress starts to fade. That's the real power of side hustles. Common mistakes to avoid, but don't rush in blindly. There are traps in the side hustle world. Trap number 1. Shiny object syndrome. You chase 10 hustles, master none. Focus on one and scale it. Trap number 2. Quitting too early. The first months are usually slow. But stick with it and growth comes. Trap number 3. Ignoring taxes. Side hustle money is still taxable. Stay organized, save receipts, track income. Final thoughts. Busy people like you often feel stuck. But the truth is, you're not stuck. With the right side hustle, freedom is closer. You don't need millions. You don't need to quit your job. You just need to start. Because every empire begins with one step. And your financial empire can start today. If this video helped you, don't keep it secret. Hit that like button to support the channel. Subscribe for more powerful money strategies each week. And share this video with someone who needs it. Remember, the best investment you'll ever make is the one you make in yourself.